Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The whole world is our family. The human society is very much the same as the human body. Just as the human body is healthy and strong only if all the elements of the body work in harmony, similarly all the contributors to this family, the world we live in, are equally important. Having said that, the idea of saying that we all are born the same and we all are equal is flawed. Some of us are born in rich families, some are poor, some are more privileged than others. We might have different gender, caste, traditions, religions. It would be unjust to ignore the differences in us. But one thing is common. We all are members of the same family. Our contribution to this world cannot be seen as superior or inferior than others in any manner. These are the norms that our culture and our ancestors have taught us. तर आजको समाज यो विचारधारा भन्दा भिन्न छ. द प्रब्लम्स. यथार्थ यही नै हो कि आज समाजमा हाम्रा भिन्नतालाई दमन र शोषण गर्ने उपायहरूको रूपमा विकास गरिएको छ. या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्ति रूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः. महिलालाई पूजा गर्ने यो समाज आज पुरुष प्रधान हुन पुगेको छ र महिलाको क्षमतामा प्रश्न उठाउन थालेको छ. हजारौं वर्ष अघि तर्कमा कसैले जित्न नसक्ने ऋषि यज्ञवल्क्यलाई आफ्नो ज्ञान र कौशलले निशब्द गर्न सक्ने गर्गी तथा हाम्रो देशको एकीकरणमा उल्लेखनीय योगदान दिने महारानी राजेन्द्र राज्यलक्ष्मी देवीको क्षमता कुनै पुरुषभन्दा कम थियो भनेर कसैले भन्न सक्दैन. There is no denying that the moment we talk about inequality, the first thing that comes in our mind is the caste system. The caste system that was once the tool to ensure the smooth functioning of the society due to greed of some groups of people has become a horrendous form of exploitation. It is evident that this system is no good for the society and needs to be eradicated completely and as soon as possible. The sense of superiority above others due to wealth and profession is also prevalent in today's world. The status-driven mindset of people is the major cause behind discrimination of rich and poor. भन्नलाई त कुनै काम ठुलो र सानो हुँदैन भनेर हामी भन्छौँ, तर अझै पनि धेरै मानिसले आफ्नो के काम गर्छु भनेर भन्न हिचकिचाउनु पर्ने स्थिति छ. सल्युसन्स. पहिले त हामीले हाम्रो शिक्षाको स्तर बढाउन पर्छ. We have to make sure that the newer generation value the contribution of each and every individual of our society. We have to replace the status-driven mindset with values that focus on collaboration and development of society as a whole rather than an individual. हरेकको यो समाजमा आफ्नै धर्म छ, त्यसको आफ्नै महत्त्व छ भन्ने कुरा हामी आफूले बुझ्न र अरूलाई बुझाउन सक्नुपर्छ. फर एक्जाम्पल, यो समाज जहाँ हरेक मान्छे आफ्नो लागि धेरैभन्दा धेरै चाहन्छ, आफ्नो स्तरको वृद्धिका लागि दौडिरहन्छ, त्यही समाजमा साधु, जोगी, ब्रह्मचारी पनि छन्. These people have pledged to use minimal resources of the world throughout their life. Their sacrifice and contribution is as important as anyone for the society. We know that we have differences and we can never be equal, but we can at least make sure all of us get equal opportunities and ample respect from everyone. The change starts from ourselves. Let us all start looking at every other person as a member of the family and as a contributor. Let us all become a bridge to the gap there is in this world. I'm optimistic that soon harmony and equity becomes the way of life for everyone in the society. धन्यवाद.